Greetings, dear viewers. Welcome back to the Earn Online Lesotho Hymnal Channel. I'm thrilled to have you with us today as we delve into something truly special and close to our hearts. Before we dive in, let me express my gratitude for being part of our growing community. Your support has been incredible, and it's what keeps this channel alive and thriving. Today, we have something important to discuss: the future of our hymnal journey together. As many of you know, running a channel like this involves various expenses, from maintaining equipment to licensing hymns and creating quality content. While I love bringing you the soothing melodies and spiritual experiences, the reality is that we need your support to keep the lights on. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should I sponsor this channel? Well, let me share a little secret with you. By sponsoring this channel, you're not just supporting me, you're investing in the incredible community we're building together. You're becoming a vital part of something much larger than just a hymnal instrumental channel. Our hymnal channel serves as a sanctuary of peace, a source of comfort, and a musical journey that transcends boundaries. But to make it even more enriching, we need your help. Your contribution will go beyond just covering expenses. It will ensure that we continue to grow, explore new possibilities, and enhance the overall experience for everyone. Imagine this. With your support, we can invest in new equipment, expand our content to include podcasts, and even host guest speakers to share their inspiring stories. Your sponsorship will pave the way for a more diverse and engaging hymnal experience, reaching even more hearts around the world. I want you to feel a sense of ownership in this journey. Your generosity can make a significant impact on the channel's future, allowing us to create content that resonates with you on a deeper level. Together, we can turn this into a platform that goes beyond just music, a place where stories are shared, faith is strengthened, and connections are made. So, here's the deal. I'm inviting you to be a part of this incredible journey by sponsoring the Earn Online Lesotho Hymnal Channel. Your support, whether big or small, will make a lasting difference. To sponsor, simply click the link in the description or head to our Patreon page. Your generosity will not go unnoticed, and you'll be directly contributing to the growth of something truly special. As we wrap up today, I want to thank you for considering this opportunity. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited about the future we can create together. Let's continue this beautiful hymnal journey, hand in hand, with your support lighting the way. Until next time, may the melodies of faith fill your hearts with peace and joy. Thank you, and God bless.